as stated in a short video, this is a right shin on the right foot. How it looks right now, the back of the shin needs to get primed. These still have to get wet sanded down, but just give you a visualization of how epically big it is. Like, that's a banana. And just how it looks like in the inside, like it's thick. It's really thick. Just think of Gears of War, their boots. That's how these boots are like. Now this is going to be tricky. Yeah. Sorry for giving vertigo, but it's so big because this actually goes up to like the side of the body, up to almost the chest. And because it's wobbly, it's not the easiest to hold, to show. Like the T60 is much more not flexible. But yeah, that looks really good, especially in real life. Sorry you guys can't see it. There, okay, that helps. Yeah, this is going to look really good. Oh, poopies. Everything's falling apart. I gotta stop the video. Bye-bye.